everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I have to get a few things at the Dollar Tree, so I thought I'd take you along with me so we can see all the new things that are there and maybe some of the things I need to pick up. Let's go. Great little Christmas crafts. Okay, so this is just the craft aisle. Ooh. Look at all these chargers. So you would, if you're making plate setups, you want them to be a little fancier. You have these underneath your plates, and they come in so many different colors. So it's a good price. So these are really good, obviously for the holidays. But look at these kinds of things. They have the lids for them, so if you make things ahead of time, you could put them in the freezer or take them for deliveries. Okay, so I spent a little bit more than just a few dollars because I thought I was just getting a few things, but there were things that I found that I haven't been able to find up to this point. So I was so happy to find them. So I spent $43, and so I'll budget that into our grocery haul. But a lot of the things that I did purchase were for the house. So you can see back here, it's part of a broom. Let me show you. So I normally buy our brooms from the Dollar Tree just because, of course, they're just $1. But I could just throw them away. I don't feel bad about it. I usually keep them about a year or so. But they have a new line, and so these are really like a nice color, and they're $1 a piece. But so I could use this stick part, and then they have like a dry duster mopper thing, or I could even attach it to a mop. So there's some different attachments that can go to this, and I'm super excited just to have. Is it weird that we get so excited as adults for like the dumbest things? Like, woo, I got a new broom. But let me show you what else I got. Okay, so what I noticed in my kitchen is that I'm running out of things. And so, yes, I have to do a stock up haul soon. Yes, it's just one of those things. We were at the Dollar Tree and I just thought about picking it up. So at least I picked up a lot of these are the name brand. So these are, I got some sandwich bags and I got some freezer gallon bags. Now these ones aren't the name brand, but there's only 10 in here, and I figured that'll give me a little bit of leeway before I have to get some more. Same thing with foil, you guys. So I am completely out of foil. So I normally put foil down on a baking sheet and put bacon on it to cook, and then it's just an easier cleanup. Yeah, I didn't do that this time, or the last time I made bacon, but that's okay because, you know, that just means I scrubbed it down. It's no big deal. But it's nice to have these on hand anyways. Another thing that I ran out of is cling wrap. Just like, I have like nothing in my drawers. And I ran out of parchment paper. But anyways, I like buying my parchment paper, and a lot of times I will get the sheets. Or the last time I got the sheets, and I was like, I don't know if I like this, but I ended up liking it. So this is just a roll. I like getting it at the Dollar Tree only because of its price, and I don't really use it that often. So some things I ran into that I was pleasantly surprised are these Cascade dishwasher tabs. These are the ones that I use, and I'm starting to get low. And so I was so pleasantly surprised that these had 4 in each pack. So that gives me some time, right guys? Another thing that I was getting ready for is if my dad should come. So for Thanksgiving. And I picked up some of these. If you watched our live, I told everybody that I like getting like the bigger cups, a little fancier. It's got the little lids if he wants that. If not, and if he doesn't come, then we'll definitely use these for hot cocoa. But look at how cute this color is. I love it. This one's fun. It just has like some different little pictures. So it's a good buy. Paul just said, how much were they? Okay, so I almost always buy my Kleenex at the Dollar Tree. So that way we could just keep them out. I like to try stocking up around this time of year anyways, because illnesses are coming, right? Right now, even my older son, Kobe, is not feeling well. So he's probably going to end up using one of these. Ugh. So anyways, time to stock up. Another thing that I like to pick up from the Dollar Tree are these scrubby sponges. Now, these can be pretty pricey, like even at Walmart. So I just like to get a couple, because if I use them and throw them away, not a big deal because of the cost. Another thing that I always look for at the Dollar Tree is hand soap. Such a good price, plus you just never know, right? Like if we are dealing with what we dealt with in the springtime pretty quick here, you're gonna wanna have some of these on hand. Another thing you'll need on hand, I picked up just a little bit of toilet paper. So I'll keep these for downstairs. That way I don't have to keep throwing them downstairs from upstairs, because that's just how I do it. So another thing that I was needing to get, some bathroom shower scrubbies. So we were just needing some new ones. Can you see a theme in my colors? I mean, I don't know. I kind of like this color, huh guys? I'm running low on Excedrin. I usually get the store brand, but I did not want to get the store brand at the Dollar Tree. I know. So I just got, there's a few packs in here that'll hold me over until I can get to Walmart again. And then Ezra was saying that he wanted to have his own toothpaste again. So I just picked that up. Look at, great size, great price. And I have bought a couple of these different colored eyeshadows. I love that shimmer. It's so fun. So I won't use this color, but those other ones I can't wait to try. I picked up, I just told Paul and he was excited about this, but some cleaning vinegar. Can anybody tell me, is there a difference between cleaning vinegar and regular vinegar? Like, I just saw that it was cleaning, so I thought, let's just get that because we were needing some for cleaning anyways. But if you know the difference, let me know. I mean, could I put this in my food? Like, what's the difference? Okay, so I'm on the hunt for ground ginger. I can't really find it. I am going to be going to Winco in the future, so hopefully I can find it in the open bins if they even have them. I don't even know, because I want to make my pumpkin pie spice. But I saw that they had this there. I don't know, you guys. So I thought, let's try it. I'll take some sniffs out of it and we'll see if it works out. But if so, $1, right? I am impressed if it works. Something fun I thought to get for the kids are these little Pillsbury and Betty Crocker, just a cookie mix. I just thought that would be fun if they wanted to make some things pretty quick here, just for Christmas or just for a Sunday night. Ezra's been really wanting to spend more family time and watching a movie, and I think just whipping up one of these little bags would be a little extra special treat for movie night. And I also found this. I don't know if it's gonna be any good, but you guys, funnel cake mix. And it says that it makes 6 funnel cakes. So I think that's super exciting. That will be super fun to try. I think just kind of goes along with those little sweet treats and a fun little family night. So I've been using some of these candles around our house just with the holidays. So Paul, look, I found some more. Those little emergency candles. But I also found these little electronic ones where you just put the battery in there. So with the holiday, I thought maybe I could paint them. I'm gonna think about this. I picked up some more thicker glue sticks. I go through lots of them. And this was the elusive thing that I've been wanting for such a long time. And I don't know if I've just been missing it. White nautical rope. So I've been buying these ones, which have been great. I use them a lot, this kind of thicker one. But this white one is like really soft. And for crafts, you just pull them apart and use it. You guys, I bought 2 of them because I'm like, if I run out, I need a backup. So I'm going to be doing some crafts with them and I'm so excited. And last but not least, we had so many of these marshmallow cream jet puff craft. We use these for fruit dip. So I'm probably going to make a fruit dip right now and put it for apples because this one is so good. So you just mix this with a brick of cream cheese and a splash of pineapple juice. That's it. It is so delicious. Make sure that your your cream cheese is at room temperature. That'll make it a lot easier. And that's it, you guys. I think that, yeah. I just showed you about $43 worth of stuff. And if you look over here, look behind me. Look at all that stuff. Goodness. But you know what? I just feel like for the price that I just spent for all of that stuff, it's just so good to be able to go use it for our family. And then, you know, it's still the name brand stuff. And it's also just readily available at the Dollar Tree. So if you're finding that, you know, your Walmarts, your local grocery stores, wherever you go shopping is starting to maybe dwindle down and some of your stock up stuff, try the Dollar Tree because they have such good stuff there. And every so often, I'm just so pleasantly surprised with some of the things that I do find there. So I hope you enjoyed going with me to the Dollar Tree for my go-tos. And if you have some go-tos at the Dollar Tree, let me know down below. So have a wonderful day, rollers. Stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.